Hi, seventh graders. You already have the picture of the puppy, and I'm just going to give you some pointers on how to start your drawing. You'll need your sketchbook, your eraser, and your pencil. So first of all, you'll notice that the eyes are tilted down toward the left. So we're going to add a diagonal line, and then the face is also, if you look at the length of the face, it's also tilted in the opposite direction. So it looks like there's a cross over there, and it's tilting down toward the right. And there is the nose, which is kind of shaped like a rectangle, like this, and a little bit of the mouth area. So from there, we're going to start with just basic shapes. There is the little cheek. Maybe I've curved that a little bit too much, so I'm bringing it in, and this is going to go up. And just looking at it, I think I want my nose to be a little bit higher. I'm going to make slight adjustments as I draw to figure out where things belong. So you kind of look at it and you keep adjusting your drawing and fixing it according to what you observe. Okay, let's see. So then it goes up, and I think I put my eyes too high, so I'm going to drop them, bring them a little bit lower, but still at the same slant. And one eye is around here, and the other eye on the same diagonal line is, well, the nose is here, and the eye is just on the outside corner of the nose. So approximately here. And I'm doing it very lightly so that I can adjust it later if I don't like what I have. I'm going to erase this line. I don't need it anymore. And let's see. That looks like the top of the head is too low, so we're going to bring it up a little bit higher. Bring it up a little bit higher over here. And there's one fluffy ear on this side. And the other fluffy ear is on the side. Okay, so there is the beginning of my little puppy. And I'm going to go back in and shape its nose a little bit more. Okay, so that's the pre-sketch.